Hello, it's George with Watchman German Shepherds. We have a puppy cuteness video, and it's no less a puppy Christmas cuteness video. And so, a bunch of customers from this litter are going to be getting Christmas puppies. Right here we have the 5 males. This is Reva's litter with Giro. And I have them in the basket. I'm just bringing them back out to the kennel. We just had a customer visit, and so these are the 5 males, and they're just content enough to sit in the basket this morning. They're still sleeping more than not, but they're getting more and more active each day. They're just too sweet, these guys. Are you too sweet, little Christmas puppy? Are you too sweet? Yeah, they're really at a very nice stage, and they're beautiful puppies. What are you doing, big boy? You're a Christmas puppy. Yeah, his tail's all wagging away there. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, he's like, enough of that. There's this little guy. What you doing? His tail's wagging too. Oh yeah, you're smart. You're smart. Good boy. Well, I'm going to bring these guys back out to their mom. Let's sort of catch this little Christmas tree video. What are you doing? Want to come see Dad? What are you doing? That's another one, the rainbow collar. What are you doing, puppy? Yeah. Well, you can see even at this stage all the traits of the West German show line, the nice black and red. Really distinctive even at this age. And look at you. Totally calm. Superb temperament. Really great puppies. So, anyway, it's George with Watchman German Shepherds. Appreciate you subscribing, liking, sharing. Any questions, comments, just put them right at the bottom there. And if you like the breed and you're thinking about buying a West German Showline German Shepherd, you can check out my website at watchmangsd.com. And until next time, and above all, the Lord bless you as you trust Him. Have a great day.